Hey there everyone! Today I'm sharing a secret housewife trick that's about to change the way you clean your oven and other stainless steel surfaces. And trust me, the result is absolutely amazing. Let's dive right in. First up, grab a lemon and cut it open in the center. We'll be using the cut surface to work its magic on our stainless steel surfaces. Head over to your oven and start rubbing the cut surface all over. Don't worry about some lemons sticking, it's all part of the process. Now for another option, you can squeeze a lemon as usual and then cut the peel into small pieces. Rub the inside of the peel over the stainless steel surfaces. This way, you ensure that no part of the lemon goes to waste. After thorough rubbing, wipe down the surfaces with a damp cloth to remove lemon residue. But it doesn't stop there. This lemon trick works wonders on other stainless steel surfaces too. Try it on your kettle or stainless steel sink. The citric acid in lemons is an excellent limescale remover, perfect for tackling those pesky water stains. Now, let me show you the final result. Check out how the stainless steel surfaces are gleaming after a simple rub with a lemon. The limescale stains are completely gone, leaving your oven looking brand new. So if you have leftover lemon peel, don't toss it away. Give this trick a try, and you'll be amazed at the incredible results. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the lemon magic with your friends. See you in the next video. Happy cleaning!